Hey guys, welcome to the 2JZ channel. In this video we're going to be talking about oil filters for your 2JZ. The past weekend I actually learned that you can actually use a OEM larger oil filter from a V8 Toyota Tundra into any 2JZ application. So the GS300 IS300 and the Toyota Supra and the SC300. So a lot of guys from the Supra forums that running high horsepower 2Js, they recommend running a larger oil filter because it gives you more oil capacity, it lowers the oil pressure, and then it also has better filtration because there's a larger surface area. So this is going to be the part number for the larger oil filter. It's going to be 90915 YZZ-D3, and we're going to have a comparison versus a standard size oil filter. This is going to have the same thread size. And one thing cool about Toyota oil filter is already pre-lube on the gasket, and then definitely the size. Definitely the V8 one is a lot taller and larger versus the standard size. So that's going to really help your 2JZ during racing applications or just spirited performance driving. Hopefully this video was informative, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.